Hey guys, I got this new app that my friend recommended to me. It's the guy I'm gonna collab with soon. But, oh no, I don't wanna go here. Okay, I'm gonna try a level of Geometry Dash. By the way, I am absolutely horrible at it. I have not even beat, go way down, bro. That's loud. But you see, I'm close to beating it. So I'm gonna try to beat it. See if I can beat it. Ow! Ow! It didn't let me jump. Wait. I need to fix this. Boom. Now I can see how long I've been recording. Wait. I was auto jumping for some reason. I'm being so cool. I wasn't even touching it. Now, well, that's my fault. Bruh. No.
This game is way harder than you.
Okay, well, no one cares about that. I just want to kind of try to beat it. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. So for me, this things are a little laggy. Wait, get me. Whip it up here. Yeah, it's laggy as hell, friend. What the hell? Why does it have to be so laggy? Please, help me.
Want to skip the small talk? In Pure Things Move Fast. Set your preferences and ideal.
Shoo. Ew, disgusting. I really do not dislike your voice, to be honest. We're going to Game Hub. Yeah, totally sounds like Game Hub to me. Not dirty minded at all. If you know, you know. Okay. Let's hope without lagging. I don't know if it's lagging for y'all too, but for me, bro, the lag is unbearable. Yo. Why is it so laggy for me? Why? Someone help. What? Okay, there we go. Never mind. You still want to be a bitch to me.
Looking for a space where your desires stay just between you and your match? Pure is the
flying fox. Let me just play in peace. Okay, well, let me go find a hat to hold my hair back. Because my hair is... Okay, I've got a hat. My hair was holding it, so I got my way. My hair is a little bit long. Okay, even with this leg, can we beat Stereo Meat? Apparently not. Huh? Oh, why does my head have to itch at this exact... Okay, wait, if I fail here, I'm fucked. Fuck you, then. You know what, guys? We're playing a...
I know you are tired of getting ghosted. What if I tell you a secret?
I don't care about these stupid ads. We're just gonna play fucking Battle Cats. You guys should really go check out Battle Cats. That's actually a really fun game. And if you don't know what you do, well, you basically get cats. There's... Jesus see what I've missed? Sir, what is it? Cool. Okay, what's this clock? Don't care about that. Don't care about you. Don't care about... Also, you won't be grinding for a while, but if you buy this at the start, like let's say this pops up and buy it, you're gonna be fucking rocking and damn rolling. But I don't spend money on this. I'm being suffering. If you level up everything to level plus 10 in your normal category, the fees you could start getting plus it's all really helpful. If you get 5 and take the net, you can turn into wealth and rare capsule, which is where you're gonna get all your Pokemon. Yo, what I'll show you the guy I want. He'll be in the middle, but yeah, it's right here. Fucking Bunny and whatever your name is. No clue what it is. And I also want this dragon guy with blah blah blah. You know, I think the brainwashed captain. So if you look up at the super rares, the third one, his name is Can. He is damn awesome. Sadly, I do not have him. And a platinum ticket, yeah, you just, no matter what, you get an Uber. And if you don't know, Uber's the best in the game. But legendaries are the best. I'm seeing what I need. What the hell is it? I'm trying to figure out who the hell Cat is. We're sacrificing ourselves. Oh, this is like a horrible thing. That's before I started YouTube. Yeah, I would say that. And yes, you can get me a flavor for the that's why you still have it. I'm not going to get you. The Mighty Steps? Who the hell are you? Guaranteed chance to pick up one lucky ticket. Likely chance to pick up one lucky ticket. Only one. Oh, I could get unlimited lucky tickets. That would be fun. But I don't care. Okay, glowing cat food. I think this is where you get fucking what? The thing in the big bobbers, whatever it's called. But yeah, I would recommend Uber to most of our only get an Uber that is good against floating units. And I guess just for the video, we will go to where here, and we will go with my cat. We're on to get the I'm talking about this. You guys get to see this? Oh, that's actually that was. I don't think there's like anything like templates I have. What games do I have? I know I have a puzzle game. I have a sword game, that. All of these are cheeks. In Roblox, you're like the worst game ever right now. So, I hate you. Because your updates are just ass. Like, I'm a, I want to fucking say, do uninstall. That's what I want to do, bro. I guess we'll check out the game, so. There's also this, like, infection game I play on this thing. Where, like, trust me, I snap ankles in that game. I am the most ankle snapping motherfucker you will ever meet in that game. Your ankles will go left, right, and fucking hee-hee. Yeah, you'll hit the hee-hee, trust me. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be even more laggy than Geodash. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? For me, I am like moving at -3 frames a second. Whoa. Oh. Anime waifu card collection? What the fuck? Out of my sight. Ew, what the hell is for... Oh, yeah, that's the game I was breaking ankles in. Yeah, I'm good at breaking ankles in Roblox for some reason. And my friend also said, join this game with me. Yeah, I'm never playing this game again. Actually, I have not played Royal Garden in like 13 decades. Let's play it. I might have to make a part 2 because I'm only gonna like start by making like 14-minute videos or something like that, probably. So yeah, in a second I might stop and quickly make a part 2. I actually just might make a part 2 right now. So see you later and peace. We're gonna make a part 2. So yeah, you just gotta give me a sec. 1, 2, boom. Yes, screen record. Yeah, if you wanna like make videos like this, get this app, I guess. That's at least what my friend has told me. That was the big song of my entire career. Anyways, bye. I'll make a part 2.